Hey everyone, big news. We have Jessica Bensen coming to talk about how to make reading more fun and effective on the Monday coming. Now with reading, at least for me, I remember reading a bunch of things, but I never always remember what I've read. And it doesn't always feel fun, and I'm never excited about it, right? So it's just like, how can I make that experience something more enjoyable? Why? Because apparently like people like Bill Gates and a lot of very predominant figures out there, Warren Buffett, they've done a lot of reading and it really has helped them gain many different perspectives. For example, when you read, you're actually getting someone's life knowledge at times in a book, and you can acquire mounds of wisdom in a short period of time, but the caveat is, for some, and even still for me sometimes, it's boring. So Jessica shares a strategy how she employs reading techniques and finds various books to actually have an enjoyable experience. So looking forward to checking you guys on the Monday. Thanks so much for checking us out, and see you then. Ciao.